Hey y'all, it's your girl Ray, and today we're going to be doing an assisted stretch with a band, and this is for all my pregnant girlies. For our first stretch, we are going to be stretching a small muscle in the glute called the piriformis. To begin, start by positioning the left leg onto the right knee. You can do this by using your hands, or using your legs, or using the band as shown in the video. Next, we're going to place the band onto the opposite foot and we're going to pull both into us, bringing that bended knee into the chest. Stretching the piriformis muscle during pregnancy is important for relieving sciatic nerve pain, improving hip and back flexibility, and reducing overall discomfort. Very good. Now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Remember to breathe into the space that you are creating. You are doing so good, mama. Alright, so now we're going to go into a simple glute stretch. Go ahead and unravel the legs. Since the band is already on that left foot, all I'm going to do is position the knee on the outside of the body and pull. Stretching your glutes during pregnancy helps to relieve low back and pelvic pain, and it enhances pelvic stability as the hormones loosen the joints. Now we're going to perform another easy glute stretch. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and position that foot onto the knee, bringing the entire leg down. Now that we're in our figure 4, this stretch can be perfect for loosening the groin and adductors. Very good. Now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Go ahead and raise that right leg, grab the foot, and bend the knee into the outside of the body. Very good. Take deep breaths. I know some of you may feel this in the hamstring. We're going to be stretching those next. Some of you may be feeling this in the quads. Now, just like we did before, we're going to raise the right leg, bending the knee and positioning the foot onto the left knee, pressing the legs down until you reached a figure 4. Now for our hamstring stretch, position the band over the left arch of the foot, then straighten the knee and gently pull the band towards your chest. In addition to feeling a slight tug in the back of the leg, you may also feel this in your calf. And to enhance the calf stretch, rotate the ankle from side to side until you find your desired intensity. This you'll find will be a yummy treat, especially in the second and third trimester, because the body produces extra blood to support the growing baby. This, combined with the normal slowing of circulation during pregnancy, can lead to swelling and cramping in the legs. Take a deep breath here and allow the body to soften with each exhale. Now it is time to stretch the fascia. When our fascia becomes tight or restricted, it can cause pain, stiffness, and discomfort. To do this, simply release the left leg over the right while maintaining a firm grip on the arch of the foot. Pull until your desired intensity. This stretch can be very intense if it is your first time completing it. So remember to applaud yourself for any progress that you've made and give yourself grace and acceptance. This is for you and this is for baby. Take a deep breath and soften with each exhale. Very good. Now when you're ready, raise the leg and release it back down to the mat. Let's catch our breath and check in with baby. Both of you did so well. Now let's repeat the same stretch on the opposite leg, beginning with positioning the band onto the arch of the foot. You remember, very good. Deep breath here as we release the right leg over the left. Very good. Now pull on that arch of the foot until you feel the fascia being tugged. You might feel a slight tug in the calf muscles as well. Very good. To place emphasis on the calf stretch, go ahead and rotate that foot down. Just like that. Very nice, ladies. We're going to raise that leg and slowly, on your own time, remove the band. Since that right leg is already positioned on the side of my body, I'm just going to lift the left to join the right and grab both arches of the foot for happy baby. Gently rock from side to side to massage the spine. For our next stretch, we're going to transition into Shavasana. Very good. Go ahead and straighten out. We're now going to target the lumbar cavity. And to do this, we're going to lift the right leg, bend the knee, and position it over the left, twisting the torso and lengthening the right arm out. You can lengthen the spine even further by rotating the neck left and right. Very good. Let's repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Go ahead and lengthen the right leg, lift the left, bend the knee, and twist the torso towards your right. Very good. Lengthening that left arm behind you. And take a deep breath, inhaling for a count of 4, holding at the top, and exhale for a count of 4. Very good. Deep inhale here as you rotate the body and come to center. You did such a good job, Mama. Check in with baby. Give thanks to your body for carrying life. You moved with grace and intention, and I hope you carry this into the rest of your day. I love you. Peace.